Rabbit farming, also known as cuniculture, has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its numerous benefits. These small, furry creatures offer a host of advantages to farmers, from their efficient reproduction to their low environmental footprint. However, success in rabbit farming often begins with selecting the right breed. The best rabbit breeds for farming can vary depending on your specific goals, whether it's for meat, fur, or pet purposes. In this guide, we'll explore some of the top rabbit breeds to consider when embarking on your rabbit farming journey. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. New Zealand White. This breed is known for its large size and excellent meat production. New Zealand Whites have a docile nature, making them easy to handle and suitable for beginners. Their white fur is also prized for its quality, making them a versatile choice for farmers. California. Similar to the New Zealand White, California rabbits are excellent meat producers. They have a distinctive black coat with white fur on their belly, nose, and feet. These rabbits are known for their high growth rate and feed efficiency, making them a popular choice for meat production. Flemish Giant. As the name suggests, Flemish Giants are one of the largest rabbit breeds, making them ideal for meat production. Their docile and friendly temperament also makes them suitable as pets. They have a calm nature and are relatively easy to manage. Rakes. Rakes rabbits are known for their unique, velvety fur. While they may not grow as large as some other meat breeds, their fur is highly valued in the fur industry. Rakes rabbits are also kept as pets due to their gentle temperament. Silver Fox. Silver Fox rabbits are a dual-purpose breed, suitable for both meat and fur. Their distinctive silver fur and calm disposition make them a favorite among rabbit enthusiasts. They are medium-sized and known for their hardiness. Chinchilla. Chinchilla rabbits, with their lush fur resembling that of the chinchilla, are primarily raised for their high-quality fur. They are smaller in size but make up for it with their luxurious coat. Chinchilla rabbits are often used in the fur industry. French Lop. French Lop rabbits are one of the larger domestic breeds, known for their sweet temperament and suitability as pets. While they may not be the best choice for meat or fur production, they are great for those looking to raise rabbits as companions. Conclusion. Selecting the best rabbit breed for your farming venture is a crucial decision that will determine your success in the industry. Remember that each breed comes with its unique characteristics, so it's essential to thoroughly research and choose the breed that aligns with your goals and resources. By making an informed decision on the best rabbit breed for your farming endeavor, you can maximize your success and enjoy the many advantages that rabbits offer to the agricultural world. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.